Are we owners or managers? No? Owners or stewards? Dito nagkakatalo yung ating buhay. No? Dito ang mahalagang hamon para sa atin. We act as owners. No? Ako yung may-ari ng bagay na ito, akin tong talentong to na binigay nyo, yung yaman na ito, yung buhay ko, ako may-ari. Yung mga mahal ko sa buhay, ako. No? Wala tayong ownership sa totoo lang. No? We do not own anything. We are all merely managers, steward, katiwala lang. At bilang katiwala, anytime, pwedeng kunin sa atin. At pag kinuha, meron pagsusulit. Paano natin ginamit yung mga pinakatiwala sa atin? Lahat, wala tayong pwedeng ipagmalaki sa atin. Because everything is fleeting. Katulad nga sinabi sa unang pagbasa, we are all citizens of heaven. We do not belong to this earth. Dumadaan lang tayo. Pero pag tayo hindi citizen ng langit, tayo ay citizen ng lupa, ayaw natin umalit sa lupa, owner. Kung yun ang pag-iisip natin, owner yata ako kasi makamundo lang. Pero hindi naman tayo taga dito langan, tayo dumadaan lamang. Kaya kung tayo dumadaan lamang, ating tunay na bayan ay langit, we are only managers. Pero nakakalimot no? Kaya pinapaalala sa atin gaano kahalaga, huwag natin makalimutan, lahat ay hiram sa Diyos. Dahil hiram, katiwala lang tayo, ibabalik natin at may karapatang audit. No? Kailangan pagsusulit ng mga bagay-bagay na ito. Let us not forget this. Let us be faithful stewards. And because of this, the beautiful responsorial psalm, let us go rejoicing to the house of the Lord. As stewards, madali bumiyahe pabalik sa tahanan ng Panginoon. We are rejoicing, going back to the house of the Lord as stewards. But as owners, mabigat kasi parang ako ang may-ari, no? Ako ang may karapatan. No? Remember, this responsibility given us, much is given, much is required of us. We are asked to do well with the resources given us, but this not belong to us. Let us be faithful stewards as the gospel reminds us today. Salamat sa Diyos sa biyaya pinakatiwala sa atin. Let us be responsible for these gifts and let us have a proper accounting for this one day. Then we can joyfully go to the house of the Lord, rejoicing, nagpapasalamat. As we continue to celebrate the love of Jesus, like most Friday, we turn to the heart of Jesus, the center of all the stewardship He has given us. Out of love, we do things well out of love. Because if there is no love, we will forget na katiwala lang ako. No? We will act as owners, absolute owners, which truly makes us citizens of this earth and not citizens of heaven. We are reminded beautifully of this today.